Are you a skinny girl looking to gain some healthy weight? Look no further. We've got the perfect weight gain food plan just for you. To start, make sure you're eating enough calories to support weight gain. Aim for around 300 to 500 extra calories per day. Healthy fats are your best friend. Add a spoonful of olive oil to your meals to increase calorie intake. Focus on nutrient-dense meals. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, lean proteins like roasted chicken, and load your plate with colorful steamed vegetables. Don't forget to sip on nutrient-rich smoothies. Blend together fruits, yogurt, nut butter, and a scoop of protein powder for a quick and easy calorie boost. When grocery shopping, choose caloric-dense foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and nut butter. Keep them handy for a quick and nutritious snack. Speaking of snacks, be sure to have a snack between meals. Greek yogurt with granola, a handful of trail mix, or a peanut butter sandwich are great options. Greek yogurt with granola, a handful of trail mix, or a peanut butter sandwich are great options. Lastly, don't forget to build some muscle. Incorporate strength training exercises into your fitness routine to help increase your body mass. Incorporate strength training exercises into your fitness routine to help increase your body mass. Remember, gaining weight is a journey, so be patient with yourself and love your body every step of the way. Thanks for watching our video on a healthy weight gain food plan for skinny girls.